Hey guys, Keep Fantasy here. We're back with another video. So today we are going to be playing with the man who myth the legend, Moses. Just kidding. I'm the man who myth the legend. He's the man who myth the poop. Well guys, we're finna get the SUV and we're finna be on our journey. Come on. Well, he doesn't want to get in the SUV, so we're using different vehicles. We're gonna be on our way. Guys, we're gonna be on our way. Come. I'm telling Moses to come, guys. Oh my gosh! Oh my god. I got the keys. Welcome to Kenda. We will not leave. Oh, skirt! Guys, I'm finna go in here. Okay, guys, I just went in. Oh, wait, guys, I need to get out. Okay, guys, I'm out. We're going to find the man Moses. Okay, where is he? Well, guys, we're just going. We're just not going to find him. Let's just go. Get on with it. Let's go. T-boy. Let's go. Not open. Still. Not about to pay the trail. That's perfect. We're arriving in the dang city. Well, you got the wrong number. Skirt! Joel. Ka-chow! Chip-out! Just kidding. Guys, look at my license plates. And I got the $1 billion rims. 1 bill. Wait, guys, let's see if I can drive the Bugatti in the mode. See if I can drive the Bugatti without any shaking. I can do it! This is a boss car, man. Skirt! Oh. Bang. Skirt! Oh, yeah. Hey. Bro. Is this guy coming or not? Guys, let me know in the comments how clean that dish was. Oh, skirt! Joe! This smacks me away. Guys, we're currently trying to get all these jewels. Just kidding. But we're currently trying to get all the jewels, so I'll see you once we get all the jewels. But guys, I just finished getting this stuff. Moses already went upstairs, guys, so... Dang it! Guys, I gotta go to the barber shop, I think. Oh no, Moses died. Well, guys, if I do, I'll see you. my movie store. I almost got 500,000. I can get it. Guys, I gotta go to the... Yeah, hey guys, GG2.
We'll get my shit for tomorrow. Come on.
Guys, peace.